Hi, and welcome to Baking with Sky. My name is Skylar, and today we will be making some coffee cake.
Coffee cake originated in Europe, but didn't make its way into the US until after World War I, where they soon developed many different ways to make their own coffee cake. For ingredients, you will need 2 eggs, vanilla, milk, sugar, cinnamon, flour, baking powder, salt, brown sugar, and butter. For tools, you will need a mixing bowl, wooden spoon, spatula, pan, measuring spoons, measuring cup, and cooking oil. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and if you have an oven like mine, press start. Start by grabbing your mixing bowl and pour in 1 cup of oil, 2 eggs that were already beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of milk. Now just mix it until everything's nice and blended. Put the first mixing bowl away and take out your second one. Pour in 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now start mixing all your dry ingredients together until it's all nice and blended. Now take your wet ingredients and take it back to your dry and pour it in. Put the wet ingredient bowl away and go ahead and start mixing with your wooden spoon. At this point, your batter is ready to pour in, but before we do that, we need to butter the pan or grease it. Using the cooking oil, spray a light coat all over the inside. Now, take your spatula and use it to help you control the batter and start pouring it in, only half of it, to create the first layer. Smooth it out and try and fill any and all corners that may be there. Now to make the streusel. Take a small bowl and pour in 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Stir generously until mixed, and then head back to your pan. Once back at your pan, take your streusel and coat the first layer with it. Only use about half of it, and make sure to fill it all in so that there are no empty spaces. After, take the remaining half of your batter and go ahead and pour that on top of the first layer of streusel. Make sure that when you put it on, everything is completely covered. Now for the final layer of streusel. Grab your bowl again and start sprinkling in the rest of the streusel. Grab your butter and a knife and cut a small piece of it to place in a microwave-safe measuring cup. When that is done, place it in the microwave and start warming up at 30-second intervals until all of it is melted. Take your melted butter and drizzle it generously all over the top of the streusel. Your oven should be heated, so set the time to 25 to 30 minutes. Put foil over your pan and place it in. Cook it for the set amount of time, and when it's over, take the foil off and bake for another 10 minutes. When it's done, take it out and place it on a heat-safe surface, and you're done.